Okay, so this is a problem set for you to work through for some extra practice. Now that we have volume formulas for both 1 and 2 base solids. So the way this is going to work is I'm going to go to the next slide. It'll give you the problem. You should probably pause it. I'm going to wait about 10 seconds, say 5 to 10 seconds, and then I'll advance it to the answer for that particular problem. And I'll show that for about 10 seconds. And then I'll move on to the next problem. So you should get to the next problem set, and then there's, let's say we've got a total of, it looks like 8 problems. Okay, so we got 8 problems to get through. And pause and then unpause when you have an answer. All right. Thank you. So find the volume of that rectangular prism. Okay, next problem. The volume of the cylinder in cubic centimeters. Your answer is in terms of pi, it says. So pi r squared would be 16 pi times 5 is 80 pi cubic centimeters. Next problem. Volume of that cone, again, it's a pointy or one base shape. So because it is a one base shape, it says in terms of pi, so this would probably be the preferred answer. This would be an approximated answer. Notice we have the squiggly equals. In this case, the 7, which sometimes you would see it drawn kind of down into the middle like this, right, is 7 centimeters. That is the height. It's the distance from the tip or the point down that makes a right angle with the base shape here, in this case the rectangle. Okay, show the answer here. And the answer? It's about 10.6 cubic centimeters. rectangular base pyramid is the area is 66. So they give you the capital B here. The volume they give you is 330. Looking for the height. Oh. Pause it. And so, again, if we look over here, we're solving, fill in, substitute in, base is 66, so 22h this side becomes, and this is just algebra, divided by 22, 15 centimeters. Alright, a conical water container, so shaped like a cone, 5 centimeters height, radius of 3, and we're filling a barrel. So how many cones full of water do we need? Again, the volume is going to be 1/3 pi r squared h. So 1/3 times 45 pi. 45 is the r squared times h. 3 squared is 9 times 5 is 45. So it's 15 pi. Gives you, putting in for 3.144 pi, you get this 47.1, which goes nicely into 471 10 times. So 10 cones full of water. Alright, that's the end of this problem set. Hope you did well. Namaste.